In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a scheduled post on LinkedIn. It's a straightforward process that will ensure your content is always up to date and perfectly tailored to your audience. First things first, you'll want to navigate over to linkedin.com. Once there, log in using your preferred method. Whether that's through Google, Microsoft, or by simply entering your email address and password, it's up to you. Now, if you have two-factor authentication set up on your account, you might be asked to verify your identity. In this case, you'll need to enter a code that's sent to your phone number, so having your phone handy is always a good idea for a seamless login experience. Once you're logged into your LinkedIn account, head over to your profile or page. Here, you'll see an option saying Start a Post. This is your gateway for both scheduling new posts and editing your existing ones. Go ahead and click on this option. Next, you'll notice a clock icon. This icon is used to schedule posts for a later time. But since we're focusing on editing a scheduled post today, you'll need to click on View All Scheduled Posts. This will open up a list of everything you've scheduled. Now, when you're at this list, look for the particular post that you want to modify. Once you've found it, you'll see a More icon, which appears as 3 dots next to your post. Clicking on this icon will bring up a menu with additional options for managing your post. Right here, you'll have the option to click on Edit Post. This action will allow you to make any necessary adjustments to the content before it's actually published. After you've made the changes you wanted, click Next to save them and review a post preview. This is your chance to double-check everything and make sure it's exactly the way you want it before it goes live. Keep in mind that while you can edit or reschedule a scheduled post, you cannot change the content or audience once it's scheduled. And there you have it. Remember, you can easily make adjustments as needed before your post goes live. One last tip: if you ever need to reschedule a post, be aware that this feature is currently available on both desktop and iOS devices but not on Android. Keeping this in mind will be incredibly useful for your planning and managing of LinkedIn content. By following these steps, you'll have a smooth and straightforward experience editing your scheduled LinkedIn posts. This feature can be particularly useful in ensuring that your content stays relevant and up to date. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you. Happy posting!